if we say that the purpose of education is holistic development of the child realizing their highest potential and refining all the instruments that they have, what is it that teachers or educators, principals, what hinders them?
जब हम टीचिंग करते हैं बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस होते हैं हमारे जो हम फेस करते हैं क्लास में, जैसे कि बच्चे हम अपने फेलोज से कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाते हैं, ठीक से उनको समझा नहीं पाते हैं कि हमारे आज के टॉपिक का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, पर्पस क्या है, कैसे अपने कॉन्सेप्ट को ठीक से उनके आगे रखना है, कि कैसे उसको क्लियर करना है कॉन्सेप्ट को.
So basically in our classroom I think there are too many challenges. One of the जो ज़्यादा है मुझे इफ़ेक्ट करती है कि हर क्लास में हर अलग अलग लेवल के बच्चे होते हैं, तो आई थिंक ये मेरे लिए चैलेंज बन जाता है कि मैं हर एक को मतलब सब को एक साथ लेकर कैसे चल सकूँ.
Then I realized there's so much need of having a more comprehensive, more open framework to understand what a teaching interaction looks like. It's not just a lesson plan. It's so much more than that. It is an interaction, a live, unique interaction जो आप दोबारा कभी नहीं कर सकते किसी और क्लासरूम में, even if you're teaching the same topic. So I felt that TCF actually connects that, it captures that live moment of what a beautiful classroom interaction can look like.
Here comes TLP. TLP not only provide all these resources and knowledge pieces, but a lifelong community, because the idea is not to keep every learning to yourself, but to keep sharing it with the people you work with. And I think that is very important, because it's always said that knowledge or vidya is something that increases when you share, and hence TLP focuses a lot on increasing their knowledge by building a community and sharing it with them.
इस लर्निंग कम्युनिटी से जुड़ने के बाद मुझे क्या मेरे में बदल दिखने लगा है, तो सबसे पहले मुझे लगता है कि फीडबैक को लेके मैं बहुत अवेयर हुआ हूँ. तो फीडबैक लेना, फीडबैक देना और एविडेंस बेस किस तरह से हो सकता है, आई थिंक ये क्लैरिटी मुझ में खुद में बहुत आने लगी है.
It was envisaged to be a very small, safe group of teachers coming together, reflecting together, talking about their own well-being, having some mindful practices together, and going back and building their own teacher communities, changing their own classrooms and coming back to the circle and sharing what's worked, what's not worked, how can we change things.
Another process that was very rich for me was writing reflections. I felt that it was really, it was like looking at a mirror. मेरे लिए ऐसा कोई टास्क की तरह नहीं होता था, वो मेरे लिए एक रिफ्लेक्शन स्पेस होता था कि मैं अपने काम को स्पेस आउट करके थोड़ा उसके बारे में सोच पा रही हूँ कि व्हाट कुड एमर्ज, व्हाट आर माय स्ट्रेंथ्स, व्हाट आई कुड डू बेटर.
I was really amazed to see how people from different region of country came together. These strangers came together thinking, don't know what will happen and how we are going to do it. But I think in 4 days they made good friends. They connected with each other very strongly, and that happened because TLP tapped on the purpose of them being an educator and what it means to be an educator, to be a teacher, and what can they create in their classrooms.
It's been magical how the community has grown, and it's been completely volunteer-led, but volunteers and teachers who have a hunger for learning have come forward to support this community, and now we are working with around 100 plus facilitators in the community. We are working with more than 800 teachers this year. It is when teachers will be awakened, children will also awaken to their truest potential. So the vision is to enable teachers to be awakened and them to build communities of educators so that classrooms can change, classrooms can have communities of children learning from each other, growing together. We invite you to be part of this and to enable this to happen, for teachers to come together, and would love if you can support, contribute, volunteer, and we'll be very happy to have you in the family.